Taylor Swift is never ever going to meet her biggest fan, and it's probably a good thing she won't. Hey guys, I'm Christina Bear with Buzz60. Boston's Kiss 108 radio station pulled the plug on its Taylor Swift's biggest fan meet and greet contest, all thanks to Reddit users and a site called 4chan who helped a 39-year-old guy named Charles Z come in first place. Aw man, the one chance for this guy to leave his basement is now totally ruined. This post on 4chan may have helped him score the lead. My creepy 39-year-old friend named Charles would like to crush all those girls' dreams and then sniff Taylor Swift's hair cause he's into that. Soon, word spread of Charles's mission, even to Twitter with a hashtag #VoteCharles. And then came his sweet victory, winning 2 Taylor Swift tickets and a backstage photo op, all before it was canceled. This isn't the first time Taylor Swift's been a target for internet trolls. She at least donated $10,000 to the school to make good. But sorry, Charlie, despite claiming to be a real fan, don't think you're gonna get the same treatment. Buzz60. Now you know, pass it on.